So we're here now in Hampton Orchard. Ayan yung sa Clubhouse nila. And dito tayo mag-video podcast. Let's go! Hi future homeowners! Welcome again to our virtual house tour video podcast. So together with me is Sir Jury, who will be joining us. We will talk more about the Philinvest project dito sa Pampanga. So namely sa Claremont and sa Hampton Orchard. So yun sir, tell us more about sa Philinvest sir, how Philinvest started.
Well, Philinvest started by the couple, the Gutianon family, no, based in Cebu. Sila Mercedes at saka sila Andrew. So this couple, si Mr. Andrew ay originally Chinese na Filipinized na, and then si Mercedes ay Manilenya, ganyan. Tapos they started the business, nagsimula lang sila muna doon sa nagpapaloan ng mga imported cars. That is after the war, no? When this couple went abroad, nakakita sila sa US na isang hilera ng lugar na magkakapareho ang bahay. That gave birth to the idea of why not bring it to the Philippines. So we are the first company na nagde-develop ng mga subdivision, no? Started on the mass housing. So yan, at doon na ginamit yung Philinvest Land Incorporated. And then from mass housing into mid-rise, into high-rise, into township, into commercial and cityhood. No, kaya meron kayo nakikitang Philinvest Alabang, meron kayo nakikitang Philinvest City. Yan ay mga mixed use of property development. But the majority of the business is on the residential housing. Yan talaga yung pagkakakilanlan ni Philinvest. We have been in the industry for more than 50 years. No? So ganun na kami katagal, no? But Philinvest is not only a property developer. He is also active in the industry of hospitality, also active in the industry of bank and financing. So very popular is the East West Bank.
And then pag-tie up sila with East West, sir?
Because they own it too, but it's another industry nga lang, no? So I'm saying na iba yung Philinvest now is a conglomerate, no? Kaya iba-iba na yung industry ang sinasalihan niya. Recently, Philinvest involved itself or active itself in the infrastructure. So alam ninyo, 42.5% of the maintenance and the improvements of Clark International Airport, managed by Philinvest. So they have this consortium called LIPAD. So this LIPAD, 42.5% of that is Philinvest. Yes.
So that being said, sir, what you've shared to us is talagang na-build na yung credibility, reputation, and very established na yung company talaga.
Yes, so much. Yes, very. In fact, ang projects ng Philinvest, especially on the residential side, whether it is horizontal or mid-rise or high-rise residential, it is located on the 50 key cities of the Philippines. So it's nationwide.
Yes.
We have developed around 2,500 hectares of land already. And
so
around
kalaki, no, sir?
And around 200,000 families already own Philinvest properties. So ganun na siya kadami. And of course, ongoing pa rin yung aming land banking. So para tuloy-tuloy na nakakapag-offer tayo. Because one of the best mission of Philinvest is to build the Filipino dreams. And normally, it's homes. Diba?
And sobrang successful na din ng mga different, yung mga na-mention nyo, sobrang successful na yung mga venture niya, no, sir?
Yes.
So, dito sa Pampanga, sir, as we dive into our discussion, we will more focus dun nga sa Claremont, sir. So, let's begin with Claremont first. So, I believe it's very near to Clark International Airport. Kasi, sir, when we had our client doon, actually, taga Cavite man sila, no? And, syempre, they're not familiar dito sa Pampanga. And we've drove from Claremont going to Clark International Airport. About 15 minutes lang din siya.
15 to 20 minutes lang.
Yes. So So, kumbaga sir, when it comes to the location na pinipili din ni Philinvest, it's very strategic and very accessible all across sa mga establishments such as yun nga, yung sa hospitals, sa mga public market, sa transpo. Kasi from sa Santa Ynez exit going to sa Claremont, it's just about
1.8
kilometers. That's about
less than 2 kilometers.
2 to 3 minutes away lang din.
Oh,
No?
yes.
So, yung kumbaga sa location niya, panalong-panalo si Philinvest
Yes.
and very strategic talaga, no, sir?
Oh, yeah. If only the buyers can see the map, no? If let us say this is the map of Mabalacat or Pampanga, you have Clark here.
Yes.
And Clark is inside the Mabalacat city.
Yes.
And the neighbor of that Mabalacat is already Bamban and Capas, where the new Clark City is located. So it's very lucky that we are building a community right at the doorstep of Clark International Airport. So yun yung napakaganda sa location ng Claremont. And for the word itself, Claromonte, dyan nanggaling kasi yung pangalan ng Claremont. That aside that you have the closest proximity of or access to airport and to the new Clark City, you also have the beautiful, majestic view of the Mount Arayat. And normally, properties who enjoy this view are very premium, no? It dictates price talaga. So, but in our case, Claremont is offered for the middle income. No? So talagang yung masang Pilipino ang ina-address natin.
And how many phases do we have in Claremont, sir? 6 phases ba?
Yes,
Right,
yes.
sir?
To begin with, the entire Claremont is around 52 hectares. Yan.
Yeah.
And it is being developed, it is already developed into 6 phases. But phase 1 and phase 2 are already sold out. No? Kaya ang lagi kong tanong dyan pag may namimit akong bago, bakit ngayon ka lang? Because you have seen, you should have been the first one to locate on phase 1 and phase 2. But now it's sold out. What we are selling are 3 phases. The phase 1 is phase 3. But I would like to check that phase 3 is not anymore called as phase 3. It is called Austin Homes.
Yes.
Because inside phase Austin Homes, it is divided into 2. The phase 1, which we offer townhouses, okay? And then the phase 2 is about to give a single attached or single detached unit. For sale yan in the future. Hindi pa sa ngayon, Alan. Alright. And then the next one is phase Austin yun, no? And then the next one is phase 4, Claremont phase 4. This is where we offer house and lot. Single attached, startup family.